Hello friends, so today in my video I am going to tell you how to be fluent in English. Based on my experience, I would like to tell you everything. Okay, but before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the video. As I am saying that I put the questions for you how to be fluent in English. Actually, I don't know more much how to be fluent in English, but based on my experience, I am going to tell you everything which I used in my spoken journey. Okay. Actually, right now I have the good knowledge about this language. Even I have the good command for this language. So that's why I decided to tell you everything related to speaking English. Actually, seriously, to be honest, one day I talked one lady, okay, and that lady asked to me this types of question. Rajni, please let me know how did you be fluent in English. So then I decided I should tell my audience how did I be fluent in English, because every person want to be fluent in English like me, but they don't know how to be fluent. So then I decided I should tell to my audience. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you everything from my starting journey. Actually, when I started my journey, so that time I didn't have anyone with whom I could speak English very well. Okay, so then I started searching new application. With the help of I could be fluent in English. So that time I started learning some grammar portion, because grammar portion is very important for me. Okay, without grammar I can't tell anything. So then decided to learn some grammar portion. So yeah, that's how I started. Simultaneously I started making the YouTube channel, because that time I told only some English structure. With the help of you can make the English sentence. So that's how, and that time I didn't show my face. Without showing my face I made the video. Okay, so yeah, that's my story, and that's how I started my journey. But by God grace, I had one application, and that application is a Skype application. But that time only I knew something about speaking English. Like I could tell some introductions, and I asked some question related to speaking English. How did you be fluent in English? How to be start our communication skill, and how did you start your communication skill, and how are you? These types of questions I asked, and I replied. So only that types of question I could very easily explain. So after that I realized, no Rajni, this time you are not perfect, you have to improve a lot. So then I started speaking. Okay, and in the second hand I skipped my YouTube channel, because I believe when you have the very good knowledge about everything which you want to get in your life, so having the lots of knowledge, you can make your career in those things which you are improving. Okay, so that's how. And then I started speaking. As every person says something like this: speaking comes from speaking. Okay, it's a fact. When you speak a lot, so that time you will be better in your spoken journey, in your good speaker. Okay, so that's I started speaking a lot when I get the time. So that time I started lots of speaking with the co-learners, with the persons who are interested to talk to me. And that's how I started. And after that I started watching. Why watching? I consumed everything. Like while watching I came to know how to make English sentence, how to use some vocabulary words. So that's how I started. Okay, why consuming? You can improve lots of things. Okay, because if those people who are interested to learn this language, so firstly those people should take the step only watching, in the starting day. Because when you are where you are able to understand everything related to speaking English, so then you can start speaking with the co-learner, because nowadays it's a very easiest way to learn English at your home, without environment, without person. Okay, so you can find the environment around you. Okay, that's how you can start. And after that, I want to add up here one new point, and that point is very important. And actually that word has been fruitful for me, so that's why I am here, I am telling my story. Okay, actually, as that point is here, when I started speaking with the co-learner, so sometimes I get the stuck while speaking. That time I didn't know how to make sentence, new sentence, how to use, how to make with the structures. Okay, so after completing my conversation, I will try to check. Okay, actually, while speaking, along with me, I put some book and pen. Okay, and when I get the stuck, I got the stuck while speaking English. So that time I jot down in my notebook. After completing, I checked how should I say in English. Okay, even some sentence I forget while speaking English. So somehow I managed everything while speaking. But what what so even so, I jot down in my notebook, because I wanted to know everything related to speaking English, and I wanted to know good sentence related to speaking English. So that's how I started my journey, and I have improved a lot as well. Consistency is very important, because when you have the consistency, so that time you can improve everything, whether it's a tough or easy, it doesn't matter. But you have the effort, you have the determinations, you have the, I think, eager to learn that thing, so definitely you will be perfect. So if you are interested, so please use these types of techniques for your spoken journey. Definitely you will be perfect, believe me. Okay, so in the end, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. Okay, so in the last, I want to tell you one thing new here. Okay, please think in English, only English. Don't try to translate English to Hindi. So when you try something like this, as a translating, because you are taking the help of translating, so I think you can't speak English very well. Seriously, to be honest, this is my experience, so that's why I'm telling to you. Okay, so yeah, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.